How to download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your browser and search for Microsoft Store. Once you find the Microsoft Store right here, you may also have an application which is Microsoft Store. You can go and open the application as well. Or once you come to this kind of interface, now you just need to simply go with your search and search for Office. Once you've searched, you need to scroll down, and here as you can see that you will have Microsoft 365 Personal or Premium, Family, or Basic Plan, or also with Microsoft 365 Copilot. So you can just simply go and select Microsoft 365. Once you've selected the basic plan, you can just simply go with install, which will be right here. Or you may also have an option of get. You need to just simply click on get on install and it will be installed. Or you can also search for Microsoft 365 download and then just simply go with the official website, which is www.microsoft.com. And you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with download for Windows, or if you're using your Mac OS, you need to go with Mac OS. So in my case, it's Windows. You need to click on download for Windows and it will start the installation or the downloading process. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free on your PC or laptop. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.